Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we were going to start working on the police car, get it sanded, get it ready to go so we could prime it and paint it, because tomorrow is September 1st, Rhode Island Police Car Show is coming up and we need it ready. But it's a little dark out. So we did get started. We sanded it with 180, 320, or 80, 180, 320, and pretty much ready to go. I want to wipe it with lacquer thinner, and we still have the fender to do, and then prime and paint. But that'll be another video because I was filming, but I can't finish it because it's dark. So I'm going to show you what's going on in the garage. So obviously we have the 63 ragtop we're doing. We are still working right along with this. The back half is pretty much done. This is all metal finished as far as I'm going to take it, because I'm not crazy. I'm not going to metal finish everything. Real restored cars have Bondo on them. It's a real thing. You can't deny it. This is heated up because the new panels didn't match the originals at all, so we had to heat it, bang it into shape. There will be plastic in the wheel wells. Oh well. Oop. Back here, we started working on this firewall pieces, and I'm a little concerned, so I welded this one in, and the measurements jived. But this one, if you notice, on this side the gap is tight, on this side it's not. Now you might be saying, well, you probably messed something up. Well, the thing is, the measurement from here to either this hole or up here, it's the same on both sides. Both fenders fit. Rear apron fits. These measurements from this hole, it's from this hole to back there, the same on both sides. That's the official Volkswagen measurement they want you to use. So I don't know what the difference is, and my concern is that even though the measurement from here to here is the same, you can move this up and down. So I'm going to have to take some measurements, because I may have to undo this one, which would be a pain, because plug weld removal is a lot harder than spot weld removal. Move it around and go from there. But we've done that. This side is not metal finished, but getting closer. We have to patch there, and I have the quarter panel ready to go. I think it's in there somewhere. Somewhere there's a quarter panel that is trimmed and ready to go. I'll find it, but there's that. And we're going to be stripping this car down, getting some Tamco epoxy on it. I laid out some Tamco epoxy on a friend's 82 Corolla recently. It turned out really good, so hopefully this turns out just as good. We have a lot of work ahead of us with this. I have the whole body braced, but that side on the stand here got a little jacked up. You can see how the heater channel, I cut it, and the front's sitting lower than the back because there's like nothing, so you can move it all around. So we'll have to play with that. I'm thinking about making a new stand that goes from the body mounts. We'll see what happens there. But this side, still great. Want to do the hinge pins before the heater channels, because there is very small amount of play that I don't want. But this, we're working right along. I'm gathering parts. I'm trying to make this as perfect as possible. I already talked to my paint rep. We're going to be trying to get Glazerite 22 line single stage for it, if anyone can mix it still. It's not a very common request. Probably going to be using RM on the chassis because it's easier to get. And Tamco primers, because they're very good. I'd like to use the RM primer, but you know, it's pretty expensive. So Tamco's great primer for the money. But we'll be doing everything. I've already started checking parts out and stuff. So we've got that. And if we come in here, I don't know if you've ever really seen this. This is a 66 Chevelle. Not mine. It's Eric's. And we're going to be restoring this for him, with him. It's got a 350 in it. He's been doing work on it. Made a patch here, welded it in, he finished it. Dashboard he did. He did a new one of these. He did some work here. I'm going to be putting quarters on it, or lowers. Someone already put skins, like, welded right across here. So this is all Bondo. We're not going to touch it. We're going to straighten the whole side out and call it a day. You don't want to get too involved. He just wants a nice driver. We put a new trunk floor in. Can't really see, it's dark, but someone already dropped new floors in it. So we've got to weld those in, call it good. But a lot of work to do to this. You know, rockers aren't bad, but down here it's starting to get a little rough. Frame section in the back has to get redone, so who knows when this will be done, but we're going to get it done. It's going to be merino blue with a black interior, no vinyl top. Originally it was white with a red interior. Someone redid it blue, and then again white with a navy blue interior. So it's already been crazy, so doesn't matter anymore. This, as you know, is going to be perfectly stock as stock can be, down to stupid things because I'm crazy, like grease pencils and date coded headlights. Yeah, that crazy. But we're gonna keep working on this and the police car. Police car is the main focus for right now because it has to get done before police car show, which really isn't a big deal. A paint job should take no more than a day. The problem is I'm worried that it's gonna keep fisheyeing because I don't know what it is. So I might grab some fresh 80 grit tomorrow and really just strip it down, because you know, spraying the wax and grease remover on it today did seem a little strange the way it was going down. Don't know why or why not, but we'll do that. And front bumper still back ordered. Over a year that bumper has been back ordered. Ridiculous. I just want a new front bumper. 69 Plymouth. Should be the same. 68, 69. Front bumper. Can't get one. Terrible. But anyway, that's what's going on in the Dubworks garage. Figured a little update for this week's video would be welcome. We do a lot of work. We have some work coming up on the Sports Bug. It's registered. I think you know that. Sports Bug's registered. Porsche's registered. Every car is registered. And the Sports Bug, we have to finish up the rims, get them painted, get tires mounted, get them on the car, get the car running. So I'm probably going to pull the engine. And we'll go from there. But I would like to do heater channels on it. So maybe a quick body lift, right back down. Don't want to get too involved. Paint job, stripes, send it. All the hack, but it'll look good. That's what matters. So we've got some stuff going on. So hope you enjoyed the little update. We will be doing more videos on this and the Sports Bug. Less on the police car. It's basically done. You'll see me paint it, and that'll be that. Let me know what you want to see. If you'd rather see the ragtop or the Sports Bug, that's Jay. But let me know, because you guys really decide what I do video-wise, what you want to see. Do you want to see in-depth metal replacement videos, or do you want to see, you know, quick skims like this, quick updates, or, you know, quick, you know, here's how I'm doing this, yada yada yada, and it's done, stuff like that. So let me know. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next time, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.